use that finger as a target because they're not stupid, they don't want to bite the jar, they want to bite me. There we go. And you can see that venom there. So these are the third most toxic snake on the planet. That there would be enough to kill about 100 people my size. And as you can see, he's pretty keen on the old venom delivery. Give his venom glands a little bit of a massage, just to try and stimulate a bit more venom. And as you can see, it's working pretty well. So that there is a very, very bad time. But now the fun bit, we've got to put him away. So, getting him out, he knows what's happening. But putting him back, he knows how to get you. So you got to wait for the right time. Ready, steady. There you go.
G'day guys, Dan here from the Australian Reptile Park. After our last video, a lot of you are asking why we milk venomous snakes. Now it is really important. The snakes that we have here at the Australian Reptile Park each and every year contribute to saving hundreds of people's lives in Australia. Now what we do here at the Reptile Park is we extract venom from some of the world's most venomous snakes for the production of anti-venom. So what we do is we place the snake down onto a very soft pin pad, and then we will restrain the snake by the back of the head. We then get the snake to bite onto a vial, like that, and immediately the snake will start to induce venom into the bottom of the vial. Once the snake is bitten down on the vial, we remove the snake from the vial and replace it back inside of its enclosure. Just like that. G'day guys, Jake from the Reptile Park here. A big part of my job is obviously working with a lot of reptiles, but on top of that, we do a lot with Sydney funnel-web spiders, and that's exactly what I've got sitting in the jars in front of me here. These are all male Sydney funnel-webs, and the reason we have so many male funnel-webs is we are the sole supplier of their venom for the production of funnel-web spider anti-venom. Now, anti-venom for funnel-webs has been available since 1981, and the start of the process starts right here at the Reptile Park with the milking of the spiders. So what we're going to do, we have to get the spider to stand up in that typical defensive stance, big fangs, and as we can see on this one, if we're lucky, a couple of drops of venom just on the tip of each fang. All we do, we go along and we just extract that venom just like that, right off the tip of the fangs, a couple more drops there, and now we've got the venom, and that's what will be sent away and turned into the life-saving anti-venom. Very important work that we do here at the Reptile Park. Thank you guys.
Hey guys, Dan here from the Australian Reptile Park. Today we've taken our largest snake that we have here at the park, Monster, our reticulated python, out it to the main park area for a bit of exercise. Now Monster weighs 130 pounds and usually she'll eat a 4-kilo goat. So this is one of the funnest things we get to do here. Now what we're going to do is get her back up into the enclosure. Don't ask Jake what happened to him last time he got this big snake out. He's got the scars to prove it. So we'll pick her up. It takes 4 of us to get her back. So we've got myself, Jake, Brandon and Adam. And now we're going to carry her all the way to the top of the park. We hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.
This is an echidna, one of the strangest creatures on Earth. Now, they're warm-blooded, they're a mammal, or monotreme. There's only 3 monotremes: platypus, long-beaked echidna, short-beaked echidna. Females lay an egg and they have a pseudo pouch down here. It's not like a kangaroo's pouch, it's actually just a skin fold. And once the egg hatches, then the puggle, it's called, the baby, actually pushes on the gland. It doesn't even have a teat. So it pushes on the gland and milk comes out. Now top that off, you've got predatory defense with armor plating full of spines, and they eat termites, tiny little bugs, and their tongue is 20 centimeters long, and it goes in and out, it's sticky, and it pulls back in all the termites. One of my favorites, truly Australian. He's 68 years old, and that puts him in the prime of his life because they can live to 200. His brother Dippy is next door, and looks like he's crying around his eye. That's actually a salt secretion. That's how they remove excess salt from the body. They're herbivores. Undoubtedly, his favourite food is carrot. Have a go at this beak. Go, mate, it's yours. Bang. He loves his neck scratches. He weighs about 150 kilos. Look at that shell. There you go, buddy. Up here. Show us your neck. Show us that neck of yours. These are 7-week-old dingo puppies. Now, they're different to domestic dogs. They always breed in winter. And they do that because winter is the hardest time for their prey. Kangaroos, emus, big herbivores. So it's the best time for Adina, another dingo, to have her puppies. Now, by about 3 months old, they're totally weaned and independent. Dingoes are really important in the Australian environment. Essentially, we've got a real problem because Australia's a war with the dingo. They don't get along with agriculture. But the flip side is that we must have them in our environment because where we have dingoes, have reduced numbers of the feral fox and the feral cat, and Australia has the worst mammal extinction rate on Earth, basically because of the fox and the cat. So dingoes like this aren't just cute, they play a really important role. This is Rosie. She's a 1-year-old female koala. Now, koalas are our national icon, but most people don't know they're really endangered. And you've got their major threats are deforestation, habitat fragmentation, cars, dog attack, and throughout their whole range, their numbers are in sharp decline. We proudly here have nearing 50 koalas, and 1-year-olds like this are the next generation. Hey, oh yeah, she loves a scratch.